think at the time there was a lot of media advertisement stuff on the radio, and Parker Brent's name just kept coming up all the time. So I did make an inquiry, and I can't remember who I spoke to, and the next thing you know, I was doing a Cert 4. Parker Brent made it very, very easy for me. It was just made so easy. The trainer I had at the time, Chris, he was absolutely fantastic. For somebody that was getting on a little bit in life, Chris gave me all the time I needed, all the help I needed. So it just sort of started from there, and off we went. I had a small little maintenance type business going on, and the knowledge that I gained through even the Cert 4 made you feel a lot more confident to go after bigger type of jobs. And then all of a sudden you realise you need to have a building licence to do these jobs. Parker Brent were there for me when I needed it. Chris especially helped me through. So, he had a lot of knowledge, and, I used to actually use him as a resource for my business. That's how good he was. When I was learning it, I had no preconceived ideas. I just do what I had to do, and that was it. Now I'm teaching it, I'm finding that I'm a student and instructor. I sit down and research, or try to research as much of the course as I can. Somebody once told me, if you're going to do teaching, be the most knowledgeable person in the room. And that stayed with me for a long, long time. That's what I tried to do. As I say to all of my students, I don't confess to know it all, and some of you people probably know more than me. So we'll use each other as a resource. That's the way I've tried to conduct the classes that I do. My experience with Parker Brent, right from when I started my Cert 4 right through to my diploma, was you couldn't get a more helpful group of people to learn from and to get advice from, and to help you with all of your needs during the course. Again, I'll go back to when I was a student. Chris said to me, if you need me, you can call me anytime, and if I can't help you there and then, I will make a time and we will get together and do it. And I pass that on to my students. As I say to them, we all have other jobs, we all work for a living, and it's not always convenient to ring up and get an answer straight away. But if I can't help you straight away, we'll make a time and we'll help you. And I think that's worked quite well for all of my classes, where they're not scared to ring me up to talk to me. That's one thing that I did learn from when I was a student, and I've tried to carry that on.